Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to transfer USDT to your Binance Futures wallet step by step. But before we dive into it, let's talk quickly about what futures trading is, because it's not the same as your regular spot trading. Now, futures trading on Binance lets you bet on the price of a cryptocurrency. So whether it will go up or down without actually owning the assets. So you can make money when the market goes up or even when it's crashing. But here is the truth. It's actually very risky. Futures uses something called leverage, which means you can control big trades with small amount of money. But just like profits can multiply fast, losses can wipe you out even faster. So if you are just starting, please use low leverage, like maybe 1x to 3x maximum, or even 5x. 5x is actually much, sha. Then don't trade with all your money. Always have a stop loss set. Then if you are just starting, I think I would advise you using isolated, or maybe anyone that works for you. You can use isolated or cross. I'm going to be dropping a videos on step by step on how to trade futures on Binance. Always have your stop loss. This is not a financial advice. It's just a friendly warning from someone who have seen both sides of it. Now let's begin with how to transfer USDT to Binance Futures wallet step by step. So now let me show you exactly how to transfer your USDT to futures on Binance. This works on Binance mobile app. So I'm actually using Binance mobile app. Open your Binance app. Like our own is already open. Make sure you are logged in and you're on your home page. This is home page. Then then the second thing you need to do is to click on assets. Then once you click on assets, then you click on USDT. You can see my USDT here. Once it opens, you click on transfer. Once it opens like this, you can see my funding is up and spot is down. And I'm actually sending I want to actually send USDT from my spot account to my futures account. So I would interchange this arrow here. Once it changes, then I'll click on this funding drop down, the one dropping by the left. Then you can see cross margin, you can see futures, then you click on it. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on maximum. You can see confirm transfer, done. Then so I've transferred from my spot wallet to my futures wallet. So and what I transferred is USDT. So once you confirm transfer and boom, your USDT is now in your futures wallet. You can now go to futures section. Let's go back. We are still on our home page. Then you go to futures section. Select a trading pair like maybe BTC, USDT, or Ethereum, anyone, and start trading. I'll be making a video on how to trade futures on Binance. I'll be dropping that later. But for now, this is how to deposit your USDT to your futures account. Futures can be exciting and profitable, but don't let greed ruin your wallet. Start small, learn the platform, and always use risk management. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ask any question in the comment section.